Hey everybody! Want to thank you for coming to my page today. This is Mongo Edwards, and it's just a privilege and an honor to have you actually go through my sales funnel and my pages to get knowledge, wisdom, and understanding on what steps you need to take. And I do have several primary businesses, and I got the record label, Christian rap, holy hip hop record label, Messiah Hype Music. We have Prepaid Legal that we're affiliated with. We're also affiliated with Artists International. So out of those three primary businesses, have a look around. Look at our products and services. Look at our compensation plan. I'm not really going to talk your ear off about how great the compensation plan is, because you've probably heard it already. If you're familiar with residual income, then you know that this is generational money. But have at it. Take a look. Find out what I'm doing as far as my primary businesses. If you have your own primary business, that's awesome. Just utilize the tools that we've been teaching you on attraction marketing and utilize those tools and develop and grow your team. So again, Mongo Edwards, my wife Tamisha Edwards, we look forward to networking with you and marketing with you. Shoot us an email, mongo.edwards@yahoo.com. Also, you've already been through mongoedwards.com. TamishaEdwards.com is my wife. That's TYMESHA.com. Find out what she's doing. Find out how we're affecting the community all over the globe. See you on the inside.
Danny. One more close up. Bam.